and whenever that narrative truly takes off, those projects will go crazy, right? Cronos is implementing that same ZK EVM technology, ZK rollup technology. Tonic will absolutely go crazy. Crow will go crazy, right? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven. Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Stock market is opening tomorrow. Let's take a look at the... Hold on, let me see real quick right here. I got it on my watch list. Got it on my watch list right on my PC, guys. The stock market is opening tomorrow. Right now we're seeing a red day, so we'll see what happens for the stock market open tomorrow, guys. But as you guys can see, Bitcoin is making a little move out, 0.97%. So we could be anticipating a move in the markets tomorrow for the stock market, a green day, a green open tomorrow at the opening bell. And that is going to be great for the crypto markets, obviously, because Bitcoin is highly correlated to the stock market. Sometimes it decouples. I know for a fact when we go absolutely bullish, it's going to decouple and just crush it. But for right now, it's down today. And today's Sunday, so tomorrow at the open we could see a green day because Bitcoin is turning green. So maybe it's front running the stock market right now, right? We'll see what happens. Tonic up 0.86%, just like how Bitcoin is up around 1%. Tonic is following, so is Crow, just up around 1%, right? And we're gonna dive into something that a catalyst that could potentially decouple Crow from Bitcoin for a potential move to the upside, right? That's the difference with altcoins. Altcoins, once they're fundamentally sound, they follow Bitcoin, the lead market mover. So when Bitcoin is bullish, they get bullish, right? And then that's when we move into an alt season where Bitcoin is going crazy and alts are going crazy. But there's moments in time when there's catalysts that cause projects to decouple and start to show a lot of strength against Bitcoin. There could be a catalyst coming for Crow, which will then help out Tonic. And obviously when Crow is bullish, it's good for Tonic as well, right? If this is something that you're interested in, guys, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We are at 2.15 subscribers. Let's get to 3,000, man. I know I took some days off and really messed up my algorithm. I realized with crypto channels you have to post all the time. You can't take too many days off, so I took like around a week off, right? And that messed up my algorithm. So please go and show support if you can to all my previous videos. I do my best to bring you guys value. I know sometimes my thumbnails are a bit outrageous, but you have to get people to come in, and then you have to find a way to draw people in, and then you hit them with the value, right? So yeah, we take a look at Tonic. $22.8 million in market cap, following Crow on the 7-day, the 1 month. The charts are basically identical, and we're seeing a move to the upside for just a tad move for Tonic, and the same thing here with Crow. Crow is following the lead market move of Bitcoin to a T, and we're seeing a move up in Bitcoin, so Crow is already starting to follow, right? And that's super lovely, guys. That's great stuff. From Oscar Ramos, yes, I see Crow more and more trending. So Crow has been trending a lot. Crow fam is everywhere, from Jan, crypto.com, Kings, we never stop trending, Mr. Cronos, Crow fam, let's do this for Crow, UK crypto, hashtag Crow. Just absolutely bullish stuff, man. Just absolutely bullish stuff that we're seeing. Cronos, oh nice, back to 93 cents. And this is the thing, right? This is the thing, people have realistic targets. I know I sound like a moon boy when I talk about 100, 200 X's and stuff like that, right? You guys know that last year was the worst market conditions ever. Like literally the worst market conditions ever. And you think the super wealthy, elite, rich people will just let last year be the worst earnings they ever had and just let that slide and not I put my tinfoil hat on, but the people with the wealth, control majority of what is happening in the world as we know it, right? And their goal is to get richer. They don't care about anything else other than adding to making their company more and more successful and more wealthy. I don't blame them, you know. There's no such thing as too much money, right? So I don't blame them. But with the worst market conditions ever in history last year, the next bull cycle will be the biggest bull cycle ever, right? Especially with where the world is heading, with the World Economic Forum, the Great Reset, the DXY losing more and more value, the BRICS. I talked about the BRICS in one of my videos, guys. This is why I say I bring so much value to the channel right here when I talk about the BRICS, Tectonic Cronos holders. When the dollar falls, DeFi will rise. Decentralized finance will rise. The dollar is going to go through a crazy collapse. In the next video, we're going to get into personal savings and how personal savings for the average average person has been dwindling and like diminishing constantly, right? And how that affects Crow and Tonic and the markets, right? So yeah, the DXY will absolutely plummet with the BRICS working on their own currency, getting into gold, getting backed by gold. The US dollar is backed by nothing. And then that could cause the effect for the US dollar to stop being the global reserve currency. And we know how the markets, the crypto markets, are correlated to the US, the DXY, the DXY, the dollar index, right? When that is tumbling and falling, Bitcoin and crypto absolutely go crazy, right? Altcoins go crazy. We see alt seasons. So it's just a matter of time, guys. From Jan Spiker, just follow these 2 steps, Crow fam. The principle applies to all cryptocurrencies. Hold and buy. Literally, you're at the bottom of the market. I don't think we're gonna have another big crash. If we do have one, it's gonna be quick. Like it's gonna be so fast, people won't catch it, right? So we're at the bottom of the market. You DCA, dollar cost average, you DCA in the Crow, DCA in the Tonic, you diamond hand, then you wait for the bull. It's that simple. Don't overcomplicate it, right? Don't think about these short-term moves. If you're checking, you know, nothing's wrong with checking in every now and again, but don't think about the short-term moves. What you should be doing is sticking to your plan and showing your conviction, okay? And this is what I wanted to talk about from Francis Wong. Do you know Cronos chain is currently in phase 2 of our roadmap 2.0? This means that roll-ups, zero knowledge roll-ups, will be introduced to the chain, and also our own R&D initiative. Cronos next level will be worked on. You may ask, what exactly is a roll-up and what does it do? Now, there's projects like Polygon Matic and a number of other projects that are ZK Snark, use ZK Snark and ZK proofs and ZK EVM technology. Zero knowledge technology is the new narrative and the new wave, and let's see Francis explain it for us. This is what's going to be happening for Crow phase 2, okay? Crow phase 2 will be huge for Crow, obviously, and Tonic will follow its big brother, guys, you know? So popular roll-ups are Optimism roll-ups, Optimism Arbitrum. I just recently went to play around with Arbitrum's blockchain, right? And you know, Optimism as well has made so many waves. There's projects on Optimism that are absolutely going crazy no matter the market conditions, because that is the new trend that is taking place. Crow is about to implement that. Be patient. You know, when this is implemented and it catches on, Crow is gonna, oh my gosh. And zero knowledge rollups, DYDX, Loopring, ZK Sync, those type of projects. They take the transactions out of mainnet and process them off chain, convert them into a single price of data, and submit them back to mainnet. This is why rollups are also called off-chain solutions. Rollups are designed to reduce gas fees, faster transaction finality time, increased throughput, and improve scalability, a requirement for hosting Web3 game on Cronos, right? So what is phase 2 of Crow gonna do? Reduce gas fees. They were already super small you know, faster transactions. They were already fast. Increased throughput and improved scalability. It was already scalable, super scalable. The Cronos chain was already super scalable, and this is just gonna take it to the next level. So more and more projects will be able to build on Cronos chain, and it will be effortless, right? Cronos chain has not specified which technology will be used. Either roll-ups promise the same benefits. Then we have Cronos Next Level, CNL, okay, which is R&D project that will explore novel approaches for high TPS without compromising on application composability, protocol and database scaling. Phase 2. This will be big for Crow. This will be huge for Tonic, guys. This will be huge, okay? Remember, Tonic follows Crow, and you know Crow is gonna change so many lives, right? I'm a Tonic fan, so I know Tonic will as well. And we have an image right here to show you the CNL. Cronos rollups, the rollup execution, data availability, consensus, Cronos, current layers. And then we have the parallelized execution, modular data availability, and the consensus security. So it's off-chain transactions, which adds even more to the decentralization of crypto that I truly love. Government can't control my money. Go on, introduce your CBDCs, guys. I got control of my finances with Cronos chain and Tonic, right? Introduce the CBDCs, go ahead. They got nothing to do with me. In the Medium article, it was mentioned that CNL relies on two work streams: parallelization, my bad, of smart contracts execution. EIP 2930. It provides each transaction to specify access list, and knowing this upfront makes it possible to route the transaction faster. Modularization of storage. Potentially leveraging data availability layer. A data availability layer is a system that stores and provides consensus on the availability of the blockchain data. The data availability layer refers to the location where the transaction data is stored. Similar to how we have what is it called? We have Cronos Scan, right? And we have the smart contracts that show these transactions. They could literally leverage the data availability with this new phase 2 of Crow, right? When both are rolled out, Crow fam will see much faster transaction processing and lower fees on the chain, which attract dApps to build on Crow. The more and more people use the blockchain of Crow, the more it grows, the more mass adoption for it takes place, the more people find out about Tonic. You know, Crow is gonna go crazy, Tonic will follow. Along with the IBC interoperability, Cronos chain will be uniquely positioned to attract good teams wanting to build with us. I hope you enjoyed this thread. Shout out to Francis Wong for going deep. Shout out to Francis Wong for going absolutely deep and researching this. Like I said, I know I shouldn't talk about other altcoins as much on the channel, but ZK projects like Optimism, Arbitrum doesn't have a coin yet, but look into layer 2 scaling solutions. Matic, Optimism, Arbitrum, DYDX, Loopring, ZK Sync. And whenever that narrative truly takes off, those projects will go crazy, right? Cronos is implementing that same ZK EVM technology, ZK rollup technology. Tonic will absolutely go crazy. Crow will go crazy, right? People are saying $1 Crow. I really think we're gonna go much higher and blow people's expectations out of the water, just like what happened last cycle with Doge and all of these other altcoins, bro. Like, everyone's expectations was blown out of the water, and I really think that's going to happen again. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Really appreciate all the support on these videos. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and become a channel member. Please become a channel member, guys. You get shout outs in my future videos. It also helps me to continuously make these videos for you guys daily, right? Thank you once again, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.